Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming permissions and picking a crawl method. First, verify site ownership in Search Console or ensure server access so you can upload files. Next, decide whether you will let Google crawl automatically or run a local crawler to map pages. This matters because manual crawling reveals internal link depth. Once done, export initial URL list and check robots. TXT so you don't hit blocked paths. Make sure to prioritize high-value directories before proceeding to detailed discovery. Now you perform the heavy lifting, a deep crawl to capture structure and technical signals. Start crawling recursively to at least 3 link levels so you don't miss important subpages. Use filters to capture 200, 301, 404, and 500 responses. While crawling, record canonical tags, hreflang, meta robots, and page titles so you can resolve duplicates and indexing issues. Then assemble the hierarchy into categories and subcategories. This helps you design an XML sitemap and identify orphan pages that need linking. Finally, build the sitemap files based on your mapped hierarchy and split them if you exceed 50, 000 URLs or 50 MB uncompressed. Include a sitemap index if needed. Upload to your site root, then submit the sitemap in Search Console and watch the coverage and indexing reports to confirm submission and discovery rates. If pages show errors or remain excluded, fix the underlying issue. Broken links, no-index tags, or server responses, then recrawl and resubmit. Tip: if nothing updates, check robots, TXT, and server logs for hidden blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.